Hello, my name is Adam Rogers. I am a product manager with Metro Home Theater Group. Today we'll be discussing the CS-IRKITCCUS. The CS-IRKITCCUS is the newest entry in our lineup of unique problem-solving devices. Like many other IR repeating systems, the CS-IRKITCCUS comes complete with an IR receiver, a 6-output IR connecting block, 4 single emitters, and a power supply. What makes the CS-IRKITCCUS unique is the multi-band IR receiver that works with existing equipment, as well as the newest RMCC IR command structures that are now being used by some cable TV set-top boxes. The really cool part is the built-in IR code learning double throw relay that can be used with any device that can be controlled by dry contact closure. This means that without the high cost or programming skill required by an expensive automation system, you can now operate TV lifts, motorized screens, curtains, and also one of the most popular HDMI repair tools, the hdm-aio, all with the TV, satellite, or cable remote that the client is already comfortable with. The CS-IRKITCCUS is available now and is shipping. For more information about the CS-IRKITCCUS, or if you have questions about the setup and use of this or any other Metro Home Theater product, please go to metrohometheater.com.